Well, camp is for the most part set up. We are now going outside the back of our outside the back of our campground or site, or as Ryan and I like to call it, our cabin. And trying to find some wood. So this is going to be a chore, and it usually is when you're by a campsite, because we are not alone. We are not the only ones that come out and trying to find wood.
That's true.
But
what we're looking for is downed trees like this one.
Down trees that are dry and not rotted. And we want to make them wrist size.
Not bad. You might have found it.
Wow, really? Just hanging out? Like this is probably too green, but this is down. Oh, yeah, we got some wood. Whoa! We got some wood. Here's it's another.
Must have been a pretty stiff breeze that's coming through.
Yeah, that thing. Yeah, so we'll find some wood and chop some up and drag it back to camp and split it and all that sort of thing.
Yeah, we'll probably cut it into draggable pieces and then do most of
Right.
the work back
This
there.
is not cool, by the way. So this was cut down by somebody that is super lazy and very annoying.
Well, it could have tipped and then been cut, though. I mean, the roots are out of the ground.
Well, allegedly. We'd have to investigate that further.
We'll use our trail cam.
But I can tell you that it happens. And we were actually warned by the nice young lady at Sawbill about the forest rangers were saying there was a lot of problems with that lately. And it's super annoying when you get to a campsite and there's a bunch of cut down trees that take, 30 years to grow.
And they're beautiful.
Yeah, so don't be lazy. If you can't find wood where you're at, get in your canoe and just go to some random spot in the shore and go find some. So I'll get off my soapbox.
Okay. Stand on that.
Yeah.
Like down there. So I can hit that gym. It's not sliding away from me.
Come on. Yeah, just don't drop it. Don't sling it. Okay.
Okay, we'll rotate.
Rotate.
Up. Other way.
How do you want it?
These up.
Why are you going the other way then?
That.
Yeah.
I wasn't. It was gravity.
Oh, gravity. What the hell's that? That's a theory.
The jury's still out on science.
Okay. All right. So we found this big tree that was actually hanging on another tree off the ground, and we were able to kind of reach up and grab it and pull it down. And this is pretty dry stuff, so this might be enough for a whole trip. I've already cut some over here. So she is a hot one. She is warm today. What do you think, Ry?
Yeah, she's toasty. Gotta be 83, 84, you think? Feels like it anyways.
Yeah, probably.
It's good sweat. We could go swimming later.
Negative. I'll swim in my own sweat. Thank you.
That sounds nice.
Time swimming means time not fishing. So maybe we could swim and fish. Hey, did you bring your spear?
No, I didn't.
Ah. All right. Well.
Next time.
Next time.